welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we are unboxing a unicorn nightlight.
Okay, so as Matilda said, we've been sent this unicorn nightlight to unbox, set up, see what it's like and do an honest review on. So we're hoping that we have to build it a little bit so we can like customise it a little bit, don't we, Matilda? So first things first, Matilda's going to unbox it, get out of the box and see what we get inside. Go for it, Matilda.
Oh, you have to build it.
Okay, yeah, get it all out onto the table.
Whoa.
That's it.
Oh no, that's good.
Alright, don't worry. Let's get it all out. Oh, there's lots of things in here.
Oh no.
Okay, it's fine, leave it, it's fine. Okay, so by the looks of it, so we've got the base, it's got the battery compartment in the bottom, so we need the batteries, which I don't think it comes with batteries, no batteries in here, which is not a problem, we've got some. There's a little button on the front here, on and off button, and some lights built into the base. You've then got this plastic shell, or plastic cover that will obviously go over the top of it, into there. We have some glue, and then lots of little accessories inside. So what's that, Matilda?
Grass.
It's like a pink and green grass. What's that one?
Tree.
Like a pink, nice.
I'm worried about that.
Why are you worried about that?
It might go everywhere.
Well, we won't go everywhere, we'll make sure. And then inside here, we have got, ooh, look at these, Matilda. You open that one?
Yay.
So here we've got the pink castle, the unicorn, a nice rainbow, two little toadstools, little mushroom things, pink and red ones, and a little rabbit. So, obviously we need to build this, which lets you customise it a little bit, do it your way. So I think there will be some instructions, there are. So yeah, it does tell you inside here kind of how to build it. So what me and Matilda will do now is we'll build it on this base. We won't talk about it as we're doing it. What we'll do is, I think that's glue, that one, Matilda. Some glue. We won't talk about it too much. We'll do a quick time lapse so you can see what we're doing. But it looks fairly simple enough. The instructions are in tons of different languages. It's about using the glue and the brush to obviously stick things down to the base, and then putting the cover over the top and having a really cool nightlight. You've got the button on the front there, so once you've built it, you can kind of leave that there and have it like that. So we'll come down to the table, do a quick time lapse and show you how to build it. Okay, so we glued everything down, put everything on. Matilda had a shower, since she's got all wet hair now, while we waited for the glue to dry. It's all dry. We'll put the light inside and this plastic container over the top. It's plastic, not made out of glass, which is good for safety in case it breaks. So we're all done and dusted now with that. It was really easy to do. The only bit was a bit messy, wasn't it?
The grass.
Yeah, the grass, the pink and green grass were a little bit messy. So that's why we didn't have a plate, but it still went everywhere because we're messy. So really fun to do, really easy to do. The glue is actually, I thought it was just gonna be like a PVA, but it's not. It's almost like a slow acting super glue. So it's really good, strong glue. It doesn't dry instantly, but it dries really quickly. We've literally done it about 20 minutes ago with Matilda. So it does say in the instructions to leave it for 30 minutes. We left it about 20 and everything's really dry in there now. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna turn the lights off and Matilda's gonna switch it on. It's not really pitch black in here, but I think it'll be dark enough to see. I'll turn the lights off, you can see here. So I'm gonna go turn the lights off now. It's dark enough, I think. So Matilda, you give it a go and turn the light on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh! So look to the camera a little bit.
Yeah. Very pretty.
That looks lovely. So it's lighting up all the little ornaments and everything inside it, isn't it, Matilda? That looks really good, that. Excellent. So we'll put that down there for a second and we'll turn the lights back on. Okay, so we're all done and dusted now, all made, all sorted, looking great. So that'll look great in Matilda's bedroom as a little nightlight, won't it, Matilda? So yeah, really impressed with that. Comes with everything you need to do it, even a brush to brush the glue around. Really good. Do you like it, Matilda?
I love it.
You love it, yeah. So it's good. I think it'd actually make a great birthday present.
Oh,
So if you were looking for a birthday present, just a small gift to give to someone, maybe to someone's party you're going to, I think it'd make a great birthday gift, that would. So the Unicorn Nightlight, available on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to it on Amazon if you want to get one for yourself. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's been informative. You can see the product before you buy it on Amazon yourself. If you have liked it, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you haven't for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. But let us know in the comment section why you didn't like it. If you've got any questions about the product, about the setup, or about the gluing, let us know in the comment section. Matilda will reply to all your comments. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, if you want to watch other product reviews, baking videos, cooking videos, other outdoor DIY projects as well, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.